I went to 2 trading conferences where elite traders presented and will share the top 8 trading lessons with you. I'm Mike Bellafiore, and we're one of the top proprietary trading firms in the US with numerous 7 and even 8-figure per year traders. You found the right place to learn, so let's get to work. Trading lesson number 1. The 3 most important character traits to be an elite trader over the next 10 years will be adaptability, curiosity, relentlessness. With AI tools, the world will be very different. You're going to need to learn trading strategies from pro traders working in today's markets, of course, but you're going to have to do a lot more. Markets may trade differently as AI tools spread. Those willing to adapt, curious to find what's working in current markets, and relentless in finding setups that will work for them are the traders we're going to be hiring here at S&B Capital. They will be the next market wizards like Shark on our desk. Who said this? Well, me. Kicking off the S&B Trading Summit, New York City 2026. Trading lesson number 2. This comes from an 8-figure a year S&B trader, Max Ganek, who made near $13 million in trading profits last year. In fact, this trading team generated nearly $50 million in yearly trading profits. He spoke at both conferences I attended, Traders for a Cause and S&B Trading Summit. He said something that may be the catalyst to help you become a super selective trader, which may result in you becoming a consistently profitable trader. Max said from the stage at 2 jam-packed conferences filled with serious traders, I would rather lose $500,000 on one A-plus setup than lose $50,000 on 10 B-plus setups. I hope for traders who overtrade, this smacks some sense into you. Hey, stay around for trading lesson number 8, which may shock you as much as it did me. Trading lesson number 3. The best trading coach in the US, Dr. Brett Steenbarger, was the keynote at our event and dropped his usual pearls of trading wisdom. We bought copies of his new book, Positive Trading Psychology, for all attendees, but the books didn't arrive until Monday after the event, of course. Dr. Steenbarger illuminated the audience with this key nugget. You can't achieve world-class performance with world-class isolation. Would you buy a clarinet and realistically think you're going to be a world-class clarinetist by fiddling around with it at your home? Of course not. You'd seek world-class training from those who'd master the instrument and collaborate with other world-class performers. Trading is no different. Trading lesson number 4. Our head of trader development at S&B, Jeff Holden, captivated the crowd at the summit with this important lesson. Jeff broke down the 3 types of traders: the finisher, the runner, the player. The key is figuring out which one you are, then building a trading playbook based on it. The player excels at taking a turn in a trade. They're the top or the bottom. His profits are generated from these trades. The runner excels at momentum trades, such as Nano and Arman on our desk. When they review their trading stats, these are their best. The finisher catches the follow-through in a trade, like Raf, who set the single-year P&L record at our firm of over $19 million in trading profits. Take the trades that fit your personality or for which you trade the best based on your trading stats. Trading lesson number 5. This is a photo of 8-figure a year and 2-time Trader of the Year at his firm, Lance, accepting Man of the Year award at Traders for a Cause. Since I've known him since college, I was tasked with his introduction, and I shared the most important lesson for new traders to learn from Lance. It was the secret for him moving from top 10 to number 1 at his firm. That lesson is never leave a trading desk before finding a solution for a trading mistake. Lance's daily report card always included a clear, executable, effective solution for any trading mistake before he left. Copy that in your trading, please. Trading lesson number 6. The great Seabride, the man with the hardest job at any prop firm, risk manager, and the most sought after during breaks in the action, fed the audience actionable and valuable advice they needed to hear and surprisingly wanted to hear. He showed them how they could be their own risk manager. The biggest takeaway? Develop a clear risk plan for every trade before you make it, with no exceptions. Set the risk, capital, stops, and targets for each trade before you make it. Find an accountability partner to talk through these risk plans in real time. Hey, be honest. What would your trading results look like if you did that? Trading lesson number 7. The number 1 idea to explode your P&L? Use Claude. I was walking through the lobby at the Fontainebleau in Miami and bumped into a mid-7-figure-a-year S&B trader. He'll be an 8-figure-a-year trader at the firm. He may very well win Trader of the Year in the future. Heading out to the pool for some sun, he packed a travel computer in his backpack and he leaked, and this is something you need to start doing right away at the end of this video. Bella, I'm spending 10 hours a day using Claude to improve my productivity and make more. Trader at SMB are using Claude and AI tools to game plan, build alerts, create scripts, improve order execution, backtest, and complete trade reviews. Start using AI tools like this elite trader. Trading lesson number 8, and this may shock you. A former SMB trader approached me during a cocktail reception and tried to tell me that a young lady who trained with us during our appearance on Wall Street Warriors is now a movie star. He showed me her IMDb page, which listed Wall Street Warriors as a credit. She was a star on Game of Thrones or an uncanny lookalike. I'm just telling you what this guy was telling me, and it does seem to check out. But does this beg the question? Does SMB create elite traders and movie stars? From all of us at SMB, train and trade well.
So you're an active trader, not doing as well as you want, not doing as well as you deserve, and you just can't figure out why you can't become profitable no matter how hard you try. Well, let me show you why. This is your competition. The traders in this room. This room right here is full of elite traders, some of whom are making 7 and even 8 figures a year. In fact, our top guys have made nearly 20 million each in net trading profits in a single year. Let's head to my office so I can share more. So you're probably used to seeing videos of lavish trader lifestyles, trading gurus trading off of a laptop for an hour a day, heck, maybe even 15 minutes a day, and then them relaxing on some secluded beach for the rest of the day. Well, all I can tell you is that our traders train like pro athletes. They live and breathe the markets and are continually working on their trading skills. Because at our firm, that's what we found it really takes to make it in this game. I'm Mike Bellafiore, co-founder and managing partner of SMB Capital, one of the world's top proprietary trading firms located in Midtown Manhattan. And we're always looking for trading talent to hire and develop. And not just to trade in-house on our desk, but also to trade from their own home, entirely using our firm's capital. And we have numerous traders doing just that, allowing them to make upwards of 7 figures trading the firm's capital without risking their own money. But to even get a shot at something like that, you need to have the right training.
That's why we're doing a new free online presentation in which we share how you can get an interview with SMB to become an in-house or remote trader, trading firm capital without risking yours and gaining access to all of our firm's coaching and resources. And the best part, you don't have to be a profitable trader yet. In fact, we prefer to mold profitable traders with our methods and our techniques. That's why we have just 3 simple criteria that can earn anyone an interview. We're looking for highly ambitious and determined traders who fit our culture first and foremost. So if you believe that could be you, sign up for the free 1-hour online presentation by clicking the link that's in your top right corner of your screen now.